The World Wildlife Fund has come up with a creative way to regenerate Australian bushland burnt during the country's recent devastating wildfires. The plan is to attach seeds of gum trees to specialised drones and drop them over remote areas on Australia's east coast. If successful, they hope a revitalised forest could boost the numbers of koalas and other wildlife. WWF Australia CEO Dermot O'Gorman.
One of the new ways we're doing this is using drones that can put large amounts of seed across landscapes and not only accelerate our ability to regenerate bushland, but also be able to reach inaccessible areas much easier.
Australia's most recent bushfire season was one of its worst ever. The WWF estimates 3 billion animals were killed or displaced. It also believes 7 billion trees were burnt across 37 million hectares of Australia's southeast. That's equal to half the area of the UK.
The magnitude of the bushfire crisis requires us to respond at a scale that's never been done before.
WWF Australia wants to raise $210 million over 5 years to fund the initiative and double koala numbers on the east coast. Some of the drones can plant 40,000 seeds a day and will help create corridors so wildlife can move across the landscape.